What's good, y'all? It's Chef Darika, and I am just going to show you guys how I decorated this safari cake that I had for a baby shower. So I did go ahead and use that fake cake that I showed you guys how to cover in fondant, and I offered them a sheet cake, which they chose funfetti for the cake, and they had a Swiss meringue cream cheese buttercream, which was delicious. I mixed my luster dust with some Baca in a bowl, and if you don't have any Baca, you can definitely use lemon juice. However, both of them will allow your luster dust to adhere to your pattern without any problems. So for my decorations, I just went on Google and typed in a giraffe pattern template, and also did that for my leaves as well. I just laminate them so I can keep them for a longer period of time, and I use them to cut out my patterns. So just take a little bit of water and paint it on the back of each pattern, and just stick them anywhere on your cake. Just make sure it's spread out nice and evenly, and just have the idea of a giraffe pattern in mind. You can most definitely just stick with one color and one leaf, but I just kind of wanted to give some variety, so I did 3 colors and 3 jungle leaves. I cut them out, I stamped them using these veiners that I found on Amazon just to give a little texture, and then I rubbed them with some luster dust color powder to give a little more depth as well. Same as before, you're going to take some water, brush it on the back of the leaves, and put them wherever you please on the cake. Just as long as you're having fun with it, you're being creative, and you're not going too far over the top. Once I'm satisfied with my leaf placement, I brush the top of my fake cake with some water, and then I take some crushed Oreos and I spread them out evenly, and that will just act as my dirt. I took some simple syrup, pour that on top of that, spread that out evenly, and this will allow my fake coconut rice to adhere to my Oreos without spilling all over. And that's pretty much it. If you want a video on how I made the lion, his throne, and his 2 friends, comment down below and I'll make a video for that. I truly hope I inspired y'all to make this cake or a cake similar to it. And if you want me to go more in depth on how I made any of the characters, the leaves, or even my coconut grass, just comment down below and I'll make a video to those tutorials as well. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know which character is your favorite. Thank you. Bye-bye.